Haïti, c'est la première république noire. Haïti, c'est le premier pays qui était un pays esclave qui vient joindre l'indépendance eux-mêmes. Eux-mêmes qui prennent l'indépendance.
Well, I think one of the greatest aspects of benefiting from Haiti is understanding the history of Haiti and how the Haitian people has been able to successfully claim their right as free people. The first free black state after slavery. The Haitian people, more than any other, has been able to claim that victory over a superpower like France.
Now Jakmel is starting to really live up to this reputation, you know, and we're working very hard to claim or reclaim Jakmel being the cultural capital of Haiti. Forsage was founded in May 2003. Basically a complete support system, you know, for artists and artisans.
I remember when we started the Forsage, Patrick said, you know, we need to have more tourists come to Forsage to buy paintings, and that's when he was like, how can we do that? Festivals, that's sort of how it started, yeah.
Having the festival in Haiti really piqued interest in a lot of bands. This was their opportunity to visit a country that, you know, they might not normally go to. I wanted to be a real Jakmel festival.
And he said to me, you know, we're putting together this music festival, and I immediately said, look, anything I can do to be involved, I will do. In terms of the lineup, within 5 minutes of him asking me, I had 3 suggestions already.
Alan's suggestions were great. A nice mix, fusion, world, music, you know, running the gamut from Brazilian bands to African bands, Caribbean bands, Canadian bands, hip hop, soul.
On the very first day when the bands arrived, it was like a really cool summer camp. People just showed up and sat by the pool here, and immediately instruments came out.
This night was magical.
Petit Malé, son geste qu'il fait, il voulait venir participer avec un événement en Haïti qui a fait pour la première fois. Ça fait une belle bagarre.
When you listen to like some of the Haitian groups, it reminds me a lot of soca and a lot of dancehall. So I don't think the transition was really because of international success, but because it's one lineage of people. The only thing that really separates is the language.
Enfin, je dis toujours que j'ai attrapé le virus du reggae très très jeune. La culture haïtienne est capable de mettre ce pays en valeur sur la scène nationale. Et quand on a d'aussi grosses pointures internationales qui viennent pour un festival comme ça, je suis sûr qu'il y aura un impact. Il faut espérer que ce ne sera pas la première et la dernière année, que ce sera seulement un début.
Depuis la première fois que nous commençons ce groupe-là, c'est toujours le même principe. Nous suivons le principe, l'amour, vérité, justice. C'est ça, dans Vaudou, la culture, nous relais Guinée.
Ça, c'est que même si je ne pas lever la famille, je tape toujours gros fanatique groupe.
I tell you, there is a lot of people out there. I mean, as far as you can look this way, that way, and back the other way, such a spirit, you know, the people all enjoying themselves, and we came to bring it back to them, you know, the root of the music, and just to enjoy and share the spirit of what we're all about, what the people are about. So.
Ram ba moun yo okasyon pou yo tan de bay pa yo. Le fait que nous avons fait un gros festival, ça, li bon pour nous. Et puis, nous fait musique, nous fait moun danser, nous pas amusé.
Doing this festival, there's so many layers. It opens your eyes. It opens everybody's eyes to what is possible, what's missing. This is to show that
if I can come sing a song and that puts a smile on a child's face, then I'm excited about that.